Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Server Room. This time we have Vishnu Priya with us. Thank you for joining. She is the global head of ITSM, product support and customer success. So it's a pleasure having you here with us, Vishnu Priya.
Happy to be here in server room.
Yeah, thank you for your time. So today we'll be discussing about streamlining IT service management at an enterprise level. So to start, let's talk about service delivery for small and medium business and service delivery at an enterprise level. How do they drastically differ from each other? Are the changes apparent from a service provider viewpoint?
Yes, definitely. I would say there is a difference between how an SMB customer looks into the process and how an enterprise customer looks into the process. I would say like there are few things which is like very similar between SMBs and enterprise level, but then when it comes to the core process, enterprise have more complex workflows and process to accommodate their service delivery. That's how it has been. I would say at least for past 6 years now, that's how it has been.
Okay. So you've been in the industry for 20 years.
Yes.
And you've seen the growth of ITSM. So how
Yes.
do you judge the scalability of solutions?
Mhm.
And like how do you see the growth? So what is
Right.
your...
So when it comes to scalability, so we for the fact that we are into the enterprise market right now, and it is very essential that our products does a very good performance level, and also of course the scalability of the application to be up to the mark, that there is like zero to no downtime. So that's obviously what the customers would want from an enterprise scale of products, right? And of course the technology is what we are using right now, when unlike previous years, has been really enhancing the scalability of our products. The latest frameworks, be it, or latest technologies, be it from the database side, from the coding part, everything we adapt to the latest technology so that the product scalability is also going good.
And as I said earlier, you've been in the industry for a long time, and you've been in the company also for a very, very long time. So how do you see your personal growth? What has been your experience and knowledge that you've acquired?
See, I would say my personal growth comes from the way the product has really evolved. To be very honest, I started as a help desk coordinator way back in 2006, and I'm right now, as you said, I'm the global head for the ITSM product suite. The product has evolved, so as my career has evolved, because me being here from the pioneer of the product, I've seen the different phases, how the product has evolved, how the customer expectations have evolved, and I am very happy that I've been a part of all those transitions during these years.
So being a service provider yourself, what are some steps that we have to take into consideration? What are some steps and like what do you think we have to as an organization do to make your offerings enterprise ready?
I would say the first thing that we as a service provider should keep in mind is going to be the security concerns. There should be less to zero security concerns in whatever application that we deliver to our customers. I would say that is something which is really, really important to be on the market, to be enterprise ready. That's something which we should always be focused.
So what do you think are the factors that are detrimental to an organization that is moving its ITSM suite to an enterprise level? How do they overcome and avoid such challenges?
Right. See, when you start an ITSM process, be it an SMB, okay, the first thing that they do is like a proactive measure. Like once an incident comes in, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to do an RCA? Such things is what commonly the ITSM practices goes. But to be an enterprise ready, it's very important that you take proactive measures. So they're, like I said, it's going to be like reactive and proactive. SMBs generally go towards the reactive measures than the proactive measures. Okay, so they have to make sure it goes from the reactive stage to the proactive stage. That is when the entire service desk's maturity level grows up, and they get the enterprise kind of process ready, and of course that enhances their customer satisfaction or the end user satisfaction at the end.
Right, and as you know, AI and ML is trending these days.
Yeah.
So, describe the role of AI and ML in enterprise service management solutions. And do you think service providers should integrate these solutions into their suite of products, or do they have to, combat and dismiss these technologies?
I would say that AI and ML is a real boon. Reason being, you should look at it as a productivity enhancers. It's I know, as a human being, you become really you don't find it exciting to do the same job again and again, right? It becomes very monotonous. So AI and ML could help you to get rid of those monotonous jobs, because the AI and ML would look into those monotonous jobs wherein you as a human can put in all your brains to work on something really complex. Right, now tell me any website that doesn't have a chatbot integrated. Any website that you go, you have a chatbot integrated, you have a conversational chatbot that gives you a ready solution for any of the questions that you're asking, right? So that is how the industry has been evolving these days, and I would say we as a service provider should incorporate AI and ML in all of the solutions, which will in turn help the customers, to enhance their productivity. That's what I would say.
Yeah, thank you. So, thank you for your insights and thank you for your time. So, hoping to see you in another episode that we have in future. So, thank you.
It was a pleasure answering all your questions, and I hope it was interesting to you guys.
Yeah, it was. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.